Okay, now we are going to open the browser, and we need to input the website which marked on the back side of the router. Here we need to input the website like this, and go ahead to enter the setting interface, and to select the wireless settings. Okay, next we are going to change its network mode. Yeah, here we need to change whether the network mode is right or not. Yes, this is the right one. Okay, save it. When it is saved successfully, the Wi-Fi will be disconnected shortly, and about 3 to 5 seconds it will be connect again, and we need to have a check whether the Wi-Fi address is right one. It is no problem. And next, we start the configuration between the LS app and the alarm host. Enter it. And to input your account and your password, then to sign in. And to add the device. Also, to connect the right Wi-Fi address and your Wi-Fi password. In the next, we select the Wi-Fi part in the setting interface. Go ahead. Okay, the configuration is okay. And now we go to have a confirm. Enter the device. Have a check. To on.
System armed.
This on.
System disarmed.